Today, we are talking about, are you thinking about quitting your job? Why buying a business might be the right option for you to get started in business ownership. Hey there, this is attorney Sarah Holmes of Holmes Business Law P.C. We are a business and trademark law firm that also offers general counsel subscription services to business owners. We meet people all the time that come into the office or call. They say, hey, I've been an employee for like 10 years. I'm thinking I can go out on my own. I might be able to do this better. Or other people say, I'm sick of what I'm doing. I want to try something new. I'm thinking that maybe being a business owner will allow me more freedom. Maybe I can do what I want and just build an asset for myself long term that maybe you could leave to your children or whatever your reasons are for starting a business. Many people want to get out of the rat race. They want to stop working for someone else and they want to start a business. Now, obviously, when you start a business, there's several different things you could do. One is you can go out and start your own business from scratch and figure everything out on your own, which is not a bad way to do things. The other option, though, is to buy a business already. That could be either an existing business that's for sale by the current business owner, or it could be buying into a franchise system. So we're not going to talk about franchise systems in this video. We have other videos about franchises. But if you are thinking about actually buying a business, there's a lot of places to go find a business for sale. Number one that we find people using all the time now is Biz Buy Sell. That has a lot of businesses for sale on it. It'll normally post some basic financials, tell you what the business is, where it's located, and if there's a broker trying to sell the business. Now, if there's a broker trying to sell it, and if you're lucky enough that business might qualify for you to get SBA financing, you can be somewhat optimistic that that business has really good financials, their records are straight, and that you might be buying something that is maybe not in the best order of things, because if they're selling it, maybe it's that they haven't been running it, at 100% the last couple of years and they're trying to get out. Or it could be that they have run it really well and now it's valuable and worth money to such an extent that you can actually get a loan to buy the business. Now, the upside of buying a business rather than starting it yourself is obviously you're buying something that's already established. Someone has already established processes for you, procedures, probably employees that are really good, and overall the business should be doing well when you buy it. Sometimes you can buy a business at a discount because, again, maybe it's not doing well and you can turn it around or try to make it more profitable. But if you're a first-time business owner, that might be more difficult for you and you might then need more help of like a consultant or someone else that has experience turning businesses around. But if you do buy an existing business, it could save you a lot of time and money in terms of coming up with processes on your own, in terms of establishing systems on your own, in terms of going out and finding new employees. It also might have an existing customer or client base so that when you walk into the business day one and take over ownership, you already have revenue coming in. Sometimes if you're starting a business on your own, that's not the case. Like you would need to be open or operating for a while to have any revenue before you get your first customers or clients. And typically that first, 1 to 3 years can be very difficult for you financially. So these are ways that buying a business, if you're a first-time business owner, could be an upside deal for you. So of course, though, you really need to do your due diligence and figure out what it is you're buying, whether it's worth the asking price, and just make sure that you're dotting all your I's and crossing your T's, and that there's no skeletons that can come back and haunt you if you buy an existing business. So we help people with business purchase agreements all the time, and we can also help with due diligence. If it's something you need help with, feel free to reach out to our office. Our number is 215-482-0285. We also have the Ultimate Business Checklist available for download. You can grab that from the link below. Thanks.